welcome, Solancha. There's not really much going to be in this video today. Today's more of a video for testing out the GoPro. This mightn't even make it to air, to be honest. Just see how it goes. I've been on about upgrading the quality of the videos for a while, and I've finally actually got my finger out and pulled this GoPro out. I've done it before with the GoPro, and I have a video up there. You can see the lights flickering like mad, so hopefully I've figured out how to solve that problem, and if the quality of this video is a bit better, we might start going down the road of the GoPro. Unfortunately, there might not be that many more videos coming for a while, because the bikes are kind of at a stage where I don't really have much more to do to them. So other than we might get into maybe doing a little bit of ride videos. Somewhere down the line I do want to do a comparison video against the two bikes. One is a 80 inch cubic, or an 80 cubic inch Evo, and then the other one's the 88 Twincam. So as far as comparisons go, when we get to the stage of doing it, they're actually quite evenly matched, I think, for modification wise. So both of them are running a Mikuni carb, both of them are running aftermarket exhaust, and both of them got a stage 2 engine upgrade. So the comparison should be pretty fair, I think. A few things we'll do is performance riding. What do we think of the bikes? They both are running the same bare bone lapel seat. The only difference on riding position is one's got forward controls, one's got boards, one's got wider handlebars than the other. So we'll compare all that stuff too, to see which is actually more comfortable for riding. I won't do the video for a while because it's a bit unfair. The red bike, I've had it probably 2 years now, and I've put a lot of K's in that one, so I need to get a few K's on the other one. I need to get a couple of thousand on it just to make it an actually fair, even match. At the moment, I really like the red bike. The red bike's an absolutely brilliant bike. I would recommend anybody that's looking to get into motorbikes, or even into the Harley scene, and you can't afford to go out and buy the new bikes. You know, these early bikes, they're pretty good, pretty comfy. They don't have the power to sit with the new stuff, but they're actually a quite enjoyable bike to ride. So I'm actually very curious about the Evo. The reason I ended up buying the Evo is when I was actually looking for a Harley, I originally wanted the Evo. I wanted a black one, and I wanted a Heritage. And at the time I was buying my first Harley, I couldn't find one. I couldn't find one in my price range anyway. And then just luck had it that the red bike came up at a good price, and then I bought that. And then probably I can't remember how long after, was it 8 months, a year after buying the red bike, the Evo, the black bike, it just came up at a stupid price. I could not buy it. I'd have been a dumbass if I didn't buy it. So it'll be interesting to see. You know, I'm actually looking forward to getting it out on the road and getting a few K's on it. As you see behind me, you can probably see the bike's not actually here at the minute. Last week, this day last week, it went up for its blue slip, which is a safety test it has to go through till it be put on the road here in Australia anyway. In Ireland it's something similar to an MOT. It's not quite the same, but it's something similar. But the bike failed for a few reasons. One of the reasons being, on the way in, I noticed the indicators on the left side weren't working, so I kind of knew actually on the way in it was going to fail on that. I don't know why. I didn't check the bike before I went in like a dumbass. A few weeks ago when I was messing around, all that stuff was working, and then I've been pushing it in and out. I've been taking the tank off, putting Mikuni carb on and dicking around, and I never checked all that crap again. But it also failed on the brakes, so brake lights weren't working, but that was my stupidity. Same thing again, before going in for the test, I changed the grips out a couple of days or weeks prior to it. Can't really remember, probably 3 weeks ago now I think I changed the grips out. But I didn't put the button back in properly and I had it jammed on, so when I got in there, knew that too. I didn't have the stuff with me to fix it, so the bike failed. So I took the bike home. We got the brakes working straight away pretty much, but the indicator seems to be a broken wire somewhere, and I don't like messing with the wiring that much, so I've dropped it off with a mate of mine. The mate actually also took the red bike last year, same thing. Indicator stopped working on the left side too. Turned out to be a brake under the tank. So he's a whiz at that sort of stuff. It took him half an hour to find it, fix it, and for me it would take me fucking months, if not fucking years, to find it. I'm not good with the wiring end of it. Well, not that I'm not good, I'm just don't want to try it, to be honest. And then when I took the black bike in to get the blue slip on the, it's probably a 20k ride in, 20k ride out. So by the time I get out here, the back tire on the bike, the sidewalls started cracking a bit. The black bike, the history of the black bike, it was sitting in storage for about 10 years, or if not more, and it's the same tires on it. I've took it out. One, kind of knew I'd have to change the tires, but my plans for the bike over the next few weeks was get it on the road so I can run it around the block a few times and then dump out the oil, and then just stay close to home here, just running around the block to see if I have any problems on it, to get her out a few times, out, stop running back and forward, see if we have any teething issues. But after seeing the state of the tires coming back here, kind of fucking stupidity, I thought they'd even be good enough to last doing stuff like that, so I'm just getting them changed out as well. That's one thing, after I thought about it, like I never really thought about it before I seen the shape of the tires until they came back again, the cracks in the walls. I should have changed them before I sent it for that blue slip. Like you shouldn't be fucking riding on the road with fucking shit tires on a bike. That's a real big no-no. That could have went horribly wrong. So I would recommend anybody that is doing that, fucking, I wasn't trying to save money, I was just trying to delay spending the money for no fucking reason whatsoever. It's not as if tires are fucking dear or out of the way. So my advice to anybody in that end would, if you are doing that sort of work to a bike like that, just spend the money on tires. So on that, I don't think I have much for you. Hopefully somewhere down the line we'll get a comparison of the red bike against the black bike, but as I said, I wanted to get a few Ks on the black bike. Again, I don't know if this video is going to make it to here. It's just more or less to test out the GoPro. I want to start making the quality of the videos a bit better, and that's it. So I'll see you later. Bye. Enjoy your weekend.